For this assignment, I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite assignments, Google Slides. For this assignment, we had to create a children's story. Here's my story. I liked writing the story, so I think I did pretty well. The story had a good flow and a conclusion. The pictures were bright and colorful. For the most part, the assignment wasn't not very difficult. The hardest part of the project was coming up with an idea. I had to brainstorm for 3 to 4 days to come up with a topic. The easiest part of the book was writing the story, since most of the story was the same. It's just different rooms. The actual story was easy to write once I had an idea. I think Larry was the worst part of this assignment. He's kind of creepy to look at. He was just like the result that we found for boy with lollipop, so we just used that. What I did like about this project was drawing the Google Slides dog. It was weirder than I thought it would be, but the dog is also amazing, so I mean, what's wrong with it? I like the final project of the assignment. I think my story turned out cute in the pictures and colorful. I did not like that most children's books seemed like the same thing, and I felt like I had seen a story like mine before. I hope you enjoyed my Google Slides assignment. I liked writing the story.